Karina from Knit Indulgence here. Today I'm going to teach you how to make the left leaning decrease. Now the first thing we need to do is we need to rearrange our stitches so we can work the decrease properly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert the needle in the first and fourth stitch, slip those off, catch those two free ones with my left hand needle, bring it to the back and bring them to the front, transfer them back, and then I'm going to work an SSK. So slip, slip, bring those back, and knit. Then I'm going to bring that yarn to the front. Then I'm going to rearrange my stitches again in the first and the third stitch. Pull the left hand needle out, catch that loop in the back, transfer those back to the left hand needle, and then work another SSK. Slip, slip, knit, and then bring that yarn to the front. And now we don't need to rearrange any other stitches here. So what we're going to do is we're just going to bring the yarn to the front and work a P2 together. And bring the yarns to the back. So I'll work another set and then I'll show you how to do that one more time. Here we go. All right, so the first step is we're going to rearrange our stitches on our needles so we can work our decrease. Slip our right hand needle purlwise into the first and the fourth stitch. Pull the left hand needle out and then put those stitches back onto the left hand needle there so they catch. And then transfer our front layer stitches back to the left hand needle. Now we're just going to work an SSK. Slip, slip, and then knit. Bring our yarn to the front. Now we're going to rearrange our stitches so we can work the middle layer. So put your right hand needle into the first and third stitch. I've got a piece of hair here. Then pull that out, catch that loose loop in the back, put those back onto the left hand needle, and then work an SSK. Bring that yarn to the front. Now we don't need to rearrange any other needles or any other stitches, so we just bring our yarn to the front and P2 together. And that's how you make a left leaning decrease in your triple knitting. Now if you're going to be working on a KPP side, and then that's the return row, what you would do is you would work your SSK on the top layer and then a P2 together on your middle layer and a P2 together on your third layer on the way back. And that's all there is to it.